Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be doing with Wassce 2019 Mathematics Objective Test. Question 2. It says evaluate 0.064 raised to the power of 1 over 3. And the question is asking us to evaluate this figure. And when you see the word evaluate, it means you should solve to completion. Now, this is 0.064 raised to the power of 1 over 3. And this is the question. Now, the first thing you do is to do what? Convert this number. Now, these are the options. A says 5 over 2, B says 2 over 2, C says minus 2 over 5, and D says minus 5 over 2. And the first thing is to convert it from decimal. Convert from decimal to fraction. Now this is in decimal form. Now we are solving only everything in the brackets. Everything in the brackets. Now we are converting from decimal. This is the first step to fraction. Now if in converting from decimal, you count the number of decimal points. 1, 2, 3. Now this 3 is equal to the number of zeros. So this 64 will be up. 64 divided by 1, 2, 3. So I say the 3 is the number of zeros. That's 1000. Now the question is 64 over 1000. Everything raised to the power of 1 over 3. Now this is the same thing as saying cube root of 64 over 1000. Now the cube root of 64 is what? 4. Cube root is equal, that's 4 times 4 times 4 will give you 64. Now 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is equal to what? 64. Now divided by the cube root of 1000 is 10. Now cube root of 1000, that's 10 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100 times 10 is 1000. So we have 4 over 10. Now you can actually divide further because there is a common factor for both of them. 2 can go here and 2 can go here. Now 2 goes here 2 times and 2 goes here 5 times. So our answer is 2 over 5. So the answer to this particular question is 2 divided by 5. And that's option B. Now there is no negative sign or anything. It's just directly 2 over 5. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.